Do like raw meat. Cut her up some nice slices right here. Do you like the raw Alaskan wild salmon? Such a wild animal. Why so wild, baby? Tastes good, don't it? That fresh salmon. Nothing but the best, baby. For my Russian Siberian. А? Такая красавица. That's it? You're full? You eat a whole salmon. Look at that. Hey, don't touch it with your hand. Why are you touching it with your hand for? It's good. Yeah, I'm putting another piece for you right there. She's finished though. It's like, I'm full. You full? You better be. It's good, right? Delicious. Oh, there you go. Clean yourself a little bit. And she's done. Right? What are you doing? Why you gotta get the scraps? Gotta eat the scraps? Gotta eat the scraps. Lick the scraps. That's what you gotta do. You gotta lick the scraps. There you go. You like it there more? I should just put it right there. If you like it there more. That's it? Finito? Okay, finito. We're all done here. Nice little breakfast, lunch. Breakfast of the champions. And Baloo. She don't eat raw. She eat canned. Oh, he's such a troublemaker.